Welcome back, everybody.
Hi.
So today, Izzy is actually going to show me how to draw some of these alphabetlore characters.
Yeah,
So
alphabetlore.
here we go.
Ooh.
First up, the letter A.
Yeah. You might draw this. I.
Let's see. And you draw an eye and another eye. Okay, so I'm going to do the same.
They have it. Two eyes.
Draw two eyes. Sneeze.
Yep.
And pupils.
Yeah.
Okay. And now?
Then you want to add the line and do like so.
Okay, so the lines go beyond his eyes, through behind his eyes.
Yeah.
So?
You
Huh?
did the
Did I make it too short? It's
No.
okay.
Look.
Okay.
See?
Yes, okay. Now?
Then we draw a mouth.
Is his mouth between his eyes?
Yeah. And then the A say A.
Hey, like that.
Yeah.
He looks kind of derpy and angry at the same time.
Then the B.
Okay, the letter B.
We want to with the sideways to the butterfly.
Is he a butterfly?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like
Okay, so we turn the page sideways. And now?
Let's draw an eye.
Two eyes.
Yeah.
Is it against each other?
Yeah.
And then, what do I do next? Okay, make
Draw.
eyelids through there.
And make a nose.
Eyes. Okay, I got my pupils and I'm following you. I'm making a nose.
Yeah. Now let's do this. And boom. And boom.
So from the nose I go down.
Yeah.
And boom.
Yeah.
And boom. Like that.
Yeah.
So that's the B.
Now we might draw a T. And a B, flappy. We will like a B.
B.
Yeah.
Do they say these? Do they say A and B?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now let's draw C.
Okay, C.
But C, yeah, angry.
C is angry.
Yeah. Draw it. Draw the eye.
Okay, so I'm drawing eyes like that. Let me see. Yeah.
And the line.
And the eyelids.
And one more.
Oh, at the bottom as well.
And I draw the people.
Pupil. Sinister eyes.
And now you might draw like so.
Does the C just run through there? Let me see. Okay, almost. There we go.
Now we might do this. And this. And
Oh,
but
that.
she also have teeth.
Where is C's teeth?
Let's draw it.
C is teeth.
Yeah. Boom, 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 boom.
So, I don't have much space. I'm gonna fit it in there.
Yeah. Did you might copy me?
Okay. A, B, C.
Yeah. Now.
What sound does C make on alphabet?
Wait. What's it?
Something.
She. He moved like a telephone. That
Oh.
means he said
She. C.
And now D.
Let's do D.
Yeah. But
I'm gonna continue down here. I don't have much space.
yeah. I draw like so.
What are we drawing? Eyes.
Yeah.
Again, like rectangular-ish eyes.
Then we might do like so.
Eyelids again. They all like the eyelids.
Did I do my new island?
Okay.
Now we might draw people.
On top. Okay, so that's the bottom of the eyelid.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, there.
Now we might draw a nose like so. D, E, E.
A nose
Yeah.
and Let me see. You just brought the mouth down that way.
Yeah, that's
And
correct.
teeth. Okay.
Now we might shape like the D. D.
D.
Wait D more D.
T.
Now it will got E. Wait,
Okay.
but I like draw a I. Like so.
Okay. I think. Can you? Okay. When you draw, can you keep the pin a bit higher so that
Yeah.
your fist isn't in the way, so people can see the tip of your pin? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we try that. I'm drawing two eyes here. And now,
Wait.
eyelids again. A, B, C, D, E. So this is E. And
Yeah.
pupils. Yeah, I got it. Show me.
Now we might do. Wait. We might leave that part.
So what? So I'm just drawing.
You know why we have paint?
Oh, so.
Yeah.
Did you go too close to the top there?
Yeah, but
And like an E. Oh, so
and then add the T.
just to the top or the bottom as well.
Yeah, top and bottom.
Top and bottom.
Now the last one. wait, no, the last one is F.
A, B, C, D, E, F.
Yeah, F.
Oh, we're just drawing 6. I think we must draw 9 letters.
Okay.
So after F we draw G, H, and I still.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait. If I let's do this.
What
And
is that?
that the I.
I is at an angle. So like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we might draw people.
Also, do we have eyelid? Yes, eyelids again. Pupil.
Then we might draw a shape or F.
The shape of an F.
Yeah.
Let me see. Up until that I, so I leave a space open here, make this F. Like that?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Let me see. Carry this through that side, that side, that side. And okay, I'll just do that line there. And
Boom, boom, boom.
what? Sharp teeth, crop teeth.
Yeah. Do that. F done evil.
If turned evil, okay. He's got crocodile teeth.
Now we might draw a G.
A G.
G.
Okay, show me.
Cap. I don't see it very well.
So we do always starting with the eyes.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see. Okay. Yeah.
Now
got
we might
eyes.
draw a nose. And that you see
Draw a nose.
and draw a T.
Okay, so let me draw a nose and then I'm gonna follow you. Yes, that and
Yeah.
teeth like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, he have a horn.
Yeah, the horn.
G a purple.
Oh, I see. He's got like a.
Done.
What?
Not my.
Did you make a mistake there?
I do that my delay.
This G was a happy little
F to 10.
accident.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, it's a G. Okay, so there's your G.
Yeah, Z done with lesson.
Okay,
Now
so
we might do
H.
Yeah, H. Yeah, there.
I think you can draw H there and I there.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But I do boom, boom, boom.
What's happening with H?
H meant for dummy. You did now, you don't now. To the prank. F, the prank. Oh. Yeah.
Okay, continue. I want to see what you do.
Yeah, we might throw then.
Oh, so H is like...
I told you H here down.
H is what?
Down.
A ghost.
Yeah.
Oh, H is a ghost.
Yeah.
Oh,
Now.
where does his eyes go? Show me. I want to see the drawing because you started all the others with his eyes.
Hey, that what? That throw it in.
Okay, so...
Yeah, you will see. Yeah. A, B, C, D, E, F, Z, H. Yeah.
Okay.
Now you must draw an eye. Yeah. I know H still did, but I make a little.
Oh man, how's his eyes supposed to be just dark outlines? Oh, I made a mistake. I jumped the gun there. So now I also have a happy little accident.
Yeah. H.
I thought he has normal eyes with pupils.
No.
Okay, so that's H. And where's his mouth?
Now let me make the. Wait.
Okay, so his mouth is like an upside down smile. That way.
Yeah.
And with teeth. Like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
H does look funny. He does look like a ghost.
Cool.
Okay, so now for the last one. I.
Next.
Where do we start?
Wait for a little iPhone.
You do the eyes first. Does he have big pupils?
Maybe. Very cute. You make oh.
So he's got big pupils?
Yeah. Now. D. Yeah.
Okay, so I'll make a normal, just a little eye.
Yeah.
Okay. And?
Draw the same part.
Okay, do the other part of the
Yeah.
eye at the bottom. Yeah.
Now we want to draw
Excuse me.
that.
And a cute little smile.
Yeah.
So that's my, your eye looks way cuter than my eye.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so let me follow. There, follow me.
So there we go, everybody.
Yeah.
Izzy showed me how to draw these alphabet law characters.
Yeah.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and I.
Remember, we might do the finger paint.
Oh, the finger spacing next time.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah, next time.
next time we
Next time, we might write it in. That means we might figure it out.
Okay. So thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, do subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good and have fun.
Bye.